Creating educational quizzes with hot potatoes and have a JQZ file? This is a multiple choice quiz file from the popular educational software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to open and use these hot potatoes JQuiz files for educational purposes. Here's a professional insight. For those JQZ files that absolutely refuse to open, I have an advanced non-standard solution. We'll deploy that secret technique if the simple steps don't work. A JQZ file is a quiz project created by JQuiz, a component of the Hot Potatoes educational software suite. Educators use this file to design and save question and answer exercises. The file contains all the questions, answers, feedback, and settings needed to later generate an interactive web-based quiz. The JQZ file is an XML-based data file. This text-based structure was chosen to make the quiz data human-readable and easily extensible. It allows for complex quiz structures, including different question types and feedback mechanisms, while remaining simple to parse and transform into HTML and JavaScript for web deployment. For the JQZ file type, Hot Potatoes from Half-Baked Software Inc. is a trusted and reliable source. The file structure is too complex for native Windows editing tools to manage reliably. Windows can show basic details, but full interpretation requires the software that uses the data. We'll conduct a full scan of potential openers now. Right-click your JQZ file and select Open With. Test Hot Potatoes if it appears. If it fails, select the next application. Testing eliminates application conflicts. If you cannot access the JQZ file, no problem. Because the JQZ format is often tied to niche applications, we must check the foundation. Let's go through our quick verification list now. First, opening in Hot Potatoes. Download Hot Potatoes from hotpot.uvic.ca and install on your computer. Launch the JQuiz module and use File, then Open to load the JQZ file. The application displays the quiz content for editing, including questions, answer options, and feedback messages within the educational quiz design environment. Next, exporting to HTML. Use Hot Potatoes. Export to Web feature to convert JQZ files to HTML quizzes that students can complete in web browsers. The exported quiz includes interactive elements, scoring, and feedback. Upload the HTML files to your school's learning management system or web server for student access. Finally, editing quiz content. Within Hot Potatoes, JQuiz modify questions, answer options, and feedback to update existing quizzes. Add new questions using the question entry interface, specifying correct answers, and explanatory feedback. Save changes back to JQZ format for ongoing use and future modifications across multiple academic terms. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You might consider a solution that focuses on the internal data structure rather than the extension name, which is often the best way to attempt opening ambiguous file types. When you need a guaranteed result, I strongly recommend FileMagic. Its ability to read corrupted archives and show a file's contents instantly, even without the right extension, makes it invaluable. Get your copy at filemagic.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.